Friends, continuing with the past tense, we will talk about the two aspects in this lesson. And the two aspects in Russian are the imperfective aspect and perfective aspect. Imperfective and perfective. Imperfective means when the action is incomplete, means it has not been completed. And perfective aspect is when the action has been completed. Means imperfective aspect covers incomplete action, ongoing action, some habitual, or reversed or repeated action which continues over a series. So these are called actions. These actions are called under imperfective aspect. Like, for example, I was working. I was working. So though it is a past tense, but here it is not a completed work, so it is imperfective. Similarly, I was going. I was going again. It is imperfective. And some sentences you see they are habitual in nature. Like I worked every day. Worked every day. So it is habitual in nature. That's why it comes under imperfective aspect. Then in present tense, I run in the forest every day. It is a continuing action, and so it is again imperfective aspect. Now you see in these aspects how he covers that. Like I was working. I was working means ya rabotal. Ya rabotal. I was going. Ya shell. Means it is just like means I was working. So in the end the verb will have la. Ya rabotal. Similarly, I was going. It will be like this. Ya shol. Shol means la will be in the end. So in both the cases it is a singular masculine. Then again the following sentences are habitual. Habitual means repeated action. Like I worked every day. So ya rabotal kazde den. Ya rabotal kazde den. Rabotal, again la is in the end, and from la we just get the idea that it has been spoken by the first person who is a masculine. Again I run in the forest every day. So you see now since it is a present tense, so it will not be la again, because in present tense you see first person is having you, singular first person has you in the end. So ya begayu. Ya begayu va lesu kazeden. Va lesu kazeden. Ya begayu va lesu kazeden. So like this. And again imperfective is there when expressing an action which took very long time. Like this, I worked for 2 hours. Ya rabotal 2 chasa. Ya rabotal 2 chasa. I worked for 2 hours. And again, in case we express the state of something, means which was imperfective at that time, means I am talking of some time when that was imperfective. Means I was at home. Ya bil doma. I was at home. Ya bil doma. So it is imperfective. So friends, imperfective and perfective. Now we will, in the next lesson, we will see what is the impact of perfective sentence when it is a perfect, how the verb takes turn. So you might have observed when in the past tense the verb singular first person, it has taken la, masculine, it has taken la in the end. So ya rabotal, ya shul, ya shul, ya rabotal, I was working, ya shul, I was going. So when somebody is going by foot, it is shol. Okay. Then again some habit is there. So that is also the part of imperfective aspect. Or when some job continues for some length of time, it is again taken as imperfective. And something which happened at that time, happened earlier, but he is referring to some time when it was happening, like I was at home, ya bil doma. So this will also be covered as a part of imperfective. So in next lesson we will see what is perfective. So then we'll make sentences in perfective as well as imperfective aspects. So thank you friends, thank you very much.